whatever time you're watching this. This is a tutorial how to make a pipe. So a thing with a hole straight through the middle or whatever shape you want. So first thing we're going to do, we're on Onshape, you've logged in, you're going to create a document titled pipe. Hit create, and it's going to take its sweet time to load. Now this tutorial is going to be applicable for any shape you want, as long as you know how to create the shape in the first place. So as we're creating a shape, first step is going to be create a sketch plane. Now most pipes I can think of are circular, so we're going to make a circle of any sort of size that you feel like. This is a 5mm pipe. It's not really necessary, it's whatever you need. First step is going to be extrude it, and then we extrude to 5. Any depth you need to is possible. Now we're going to make this easy. We're going to create a sketch plane on the top face of the pipe, and then we're going to offset, which just means create a smaller version of whatever shape. You can change the offset number to whatever size you want. This one will change it to 1 centimeter, but that looks too big, so we're going to change it again to 0.5. Much nicer. And then we're going to extrude that shape there. Now the trick to making a pipe is to extrude it downwards, and then to change here to remove. Now you can see that we have a successful pipe, a shape with hole straight through the middle. Now if you want to do this for another shape, it's the same process. For example, if you want to do it as a pentagon, we're going to do another sketch plane, grab inscribed polygon, drag it to whatever size you want, pick the amount of sides, for example 5, extrude it in the same way, whatever size you want, create a sketch plane, offset it by a distance of 0.5. Now make sure when you do this you drag it inwards to 0.5 because it matters. If you drag outwards, it'll extend it outwards. If you drag it inwards, you'll make it inwards. Extrude, downwards, remove. Successful pipe of another shape. Hopefully that helps. You can feel free to ask Mr. Vanderstoop or I, if I'm in your class, to help you with any sort of tribulations you may have. Otherwise, happy making.